Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Now I will tell you about myself in this mapping project. So let's start to listen nicely. This is me when I was in elementary school, and maybe it was the saddest moment in my life.
Why?
Because at that moment, anyone didn't want to be my friend. Because at that time, I couldn't read yet, I couldn't do anything well, and my clothes were shabby and dirty. So because that, anyone didn't want to be my friend, and yeah, I didn't have any friend at that moment. And I used to sit alone behind because anyone didn't want to sit with me, so I used to sit alone behind. And sometimes I got insulted. But there was one girl. She used to protect me when I got insulted. And at that moment I thought, and maybe she was my first friend, and maybe also she was my first love. But we have never made relationship because yeah, I used to keep my love, so she didn't know about my feelings. And you know, at that years I got the last rank. Yeah, I got rank 35 of 35 students. I was the last rank. But there was a teacher used to teach me kindly, slowly, carefully, used to give me motivation, used to give me support, and yeah, everything began to change and integrate. I began to be able to read. I began to do anything well, and yeah, finally I got the second place of ranking in the game. And so for me, she was the best my teacher and and my hero in my life. And you know, after that, I began to have friends. I began to be admired. I began to be respected. So for me, she really was my hero in my life. And for me, study is important because there is someone said study is useless, but no, but for me study is important because study brought me from alone to get friend. Because study I didn't sit alone anymore. Because study I didn't feel alone anymore. And because study I had friend because study. So for me study changed my life. So move to my unforgettable moment. This this is egg. So I have moment about egg. At that moment I cried and threw tantrum because I want to eat with egg. But even actually there were two pies of tofu, but I want to eat with egg, so I cried. And then my mother said to with in Sundanese language like this, Manggula ya Tuhan ayah, Manggula ya Tuhan ayah, ulah olo. Intinya mam jeung mah, but I was not paying attention. I still cried. I threw a tantrum, but suddenly my mother cried, and she saw her pocket, and you know, in her pocket there were only 500 rupiah. You know, it's a half 1,000 of 1,000 rupiah. So directly I was silent and I stopped my crying. So after that moment, after after that moment until now I cry hardly because I think I may not cry because yeah, the last I cry make my mother sad. So even sometimes I want to cry, but I think I may not cry because crying is my biggest regret. So I may not cry. So this is you know lah.
You know lah.
I cannot explain this faster. You know lah. Move to my family. This is my family, and maybe this is the only photo which I have with my family, and my wish is simple. I want to say I love you and thanks to my mother and my father while hugging and saying this is your son. He is bachelor degree now, and I want to cry at the moment. I hope I can cry at the moment when I hug my father and my mother. I hope I can cry and say I love you and thank you. And this is my 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 dream, my future. I want have simple family,
You said you want
and
a wife.
I hope I can meet with my wife when I study in university. And I want to be lecturer.
Oh.
Lecturer.
Amin ya Allah.
Last, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.